A cycle is a pattern that repeats itself. There are different kinds of cycles in the world we live in. Each cycle is like a circle where a series of events or stages occur consecutively and then end back at a starting point. For example, day and night cycle, seasonal cycle of spring, summer, autumn and winter, the water cycle of solid, liquid and gas, the list goes on. Life cycles are the different stages in the life of an organism from birth to death. In this video, you will get an opportunity to watch and enjoy the complete cycle of life which everyone is a part of. Undoubtedly, this video will help you analyze and realize in which stage you are at present. Before we move on, let's know about the author. William Shakespeare was an English playwright, poet and actor, widely regarded as the greatest writer in the English language and the world's greatest dramatist. Shakespeare was born on 26 April 1564 in Stratford-upon-Avon, Warwickshire. He was the son of John Shakespeare and Mary Arden. At the age of 18, he married Anne Hathaway, with whom he had 3 children, Susanna and twins Hamnet and Judith. William Shakespeare is often called England's national poet and the Bard of Avon. His extant works, including collaborations, consist of some 39 plays, 154 sonnets, 2 long narrative poems, and a few other verses, some of uncertain authorship. Shakespeare produced most of his known works between 1589 and 1613. Some of his famous plays are A Midsummer Night's Dream, Merchant of Venice, Shylock, Much Ado About Nothing, As You Like It, Twelfth Night, Hamlet, Othello, Macbeth and many more. Shakespeare died on 23rd April 1616 at the age of 52. His plays have been translated into every major living language and are performed more often than those of any other playwright. William Shakespeare continues to be one of the most important literary figures of the English language. All the World's a Stage gained immense popularity right when it was written and introduced to the readers of his time. As the poem begins, 7 different stages of man's life are all that can come into our mind. Each and every word is so beautifully written that you all can actually imagine everything that is written, just like a movie running in front of your eyes. All the World's a Stage is a sonnet of William Shakespeare, which is extracted from his famous play As You Like It. This poem describes various stages of human life. Life has been compared to a play or drama played by every man and woman on the stage of the world. His 7 stages of life are the 7 acts of a play. This shows Shakespeare's deep knowledge and transience of human life. In the beginning of the poem, the poet compares this world to a stage. All men and women are only actors and actresses on the stage of this world. All these people have different routes to enter the stage and also have different exits to go out. They enter the stage when they are born and leave the stage when they die. Every person during this lifetime plays many parts. These parts are called 7 ages. These ages are actually like acts of a play. The first stage of a man's life is his infancy. During his infancy, he cries and throws up milk and vomits when he is in the hands of a mother or a nurse. The second stage is his boyhood. This is his school-going period. It is a time when he complains all the time. His face shines like the bright and fresh morning. He carries his school bag and unwillingly goes to school at the speed of a snail. In the third stage, he is a grown-up person and assumes the form of a lover. It is the time when he loves his beloved ardently. He shines like a furnace and an oven. He writes a song in praise of his beloved's eye or brow. He also sings such songs again and again as he burns in his emotions. In the fourth stage, he matures and becomes a soldier. He takes strange oaths. He has a beard like a tiger or a leopard. He is fierce like these animals. During this stage of life, man is jealous of honor of other. He is very quick-tempered and owns quarrels. Since he is warm-blooded, he looks for temporary reputation and fame. To achieve this temporary fame, he is even ready to go into the mouth of a gun. He does not bother for dangers. In the fifth stage of man's life, he becomes middle-aged and mature like a judge and has a fair round belly full of the meat of chickens. Perhaps he has become fit because he eats meat and fat castrated cocks in excess. It is the stage when he is firm, serious and grim. His conversation is full of many different proverbs of the worlds of the past and is full of the examples from the modern age. He has beard of formal cut and as such plays this part of life. In the sixth stage of man's life, he shifts from middle age to old age. Now he wears pantaloon with slippers on his feet. He has become thin, weak and lean. He wears now spectacles on his nose because of his weak eyesight. He has also a purse by his side in which he keeps money and tobacco. He uses long socks which he has saved during his youth. Now these socks are very loose to his lean leg and look strange. His big, loud, manly voice has turned into a shrill voice of a child, since some of his teeth have fallen. Whenever he tries to speak, it seems as if he were playing upon a pipe or as if he were whistling. In the last stage of man's life, he changes from his old age to the oldest one. This is a strange stage of life. In this period, all the life which has been previously full of strange events comes to an end. Man becomes child once again. This is like his second childhood. In this stage, he is childish as well as childlike. At this stage, he forgets almost everything. His memory becomes very weak. He loses teeth, eyesight, and taste. He is without everything. This is the stage in which he completes the drama of his life and leaves the stage of this world for the next.